हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इंग्लिश को पता है ना, इतना ज़्यादा लाइटली मत लो, ठीक है। अगर इस लैंग्वेज को बोलना चाहते हो, आप इस लैंग्वेज को सीखना चाहते हो, तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा सीरियस ले लो, ठीक है। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लैंग्वेज है, बहुत ही इजी लैंग्वेज है। तो आज की वीडियो में, टुडेज वीडियो, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू 5 वेरी बेसिक एंड इजी स्टेप। ओके, डेफिनेटली अगर आप इन सारी चीजों को फॉलो करते हो जो मैं बताने जा रही हूँ, आई अश्योर यू यू विल बी मास्टर इन दिस लैंग्वेज। ओके, सो प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर सिंगल मिनट, जस्ट स्टे with me in the last. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, because I'm damn sure this video is going to be a very helpful for you if you are beginner, if you are an advanced level, if you are an intermediate also. Okay, because sometimes what happen with us, we are able to speak English but we are unable to speak. Okay, I don't know why these all are things happen with you, but after watching this video you will get your answer. So watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be a very marvelous for you. Okay, and one thing is more important, which things I am speaking to you in front of to you, and one thing is that which sentence I am using in front of to you in this video. So please catch it and observe and make sure you are able to understand or not. If you are understand, okay, if you understand these all are sentence, these all are conversation, so of course this is very helpful for you. Okay, so let's get started this session without further ado. Well, my name is Mansi Bajpayee. As you know that, if you are new in my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comment section how is this video. Let's get started. Okay, you know what guys, English is a very beautiful language. Okay, so of course we should learn this language. Now we talk about the now I'm talking about the 5 step. This step is very basic. The first step is that just start this language from the tenses. Yeah, tense is very important to you. Tense is very important to those people who are beginner, okay, who are learner. Because if you complete tense, so of course tense give you a confidence. Okay, ऐसा बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि टेंस को याद कर लो, आधी इंग्लिश आपकी मुट्ठी में. दैट इज रियलिटी. ओके, टेंस जो हमारा होता है ना, बहुत ही वाइटल रोल प्ले करता है आपकी इंग्लिश जर्नी में. सो दिस इज माय सजेशन फॉर यू. इफ यू आर लर्नर, इफ यू आर बिगिनर, सो ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टेंसेस. ओके, one thing I would like to say again, please catch my all words, because I am using very simple word in my sentences. Okay, if you are able to understand that, means you are okay in condition. So please follow these all our stuff. Okay, and these things help you a lot to improve your English. This thing help you a lot to speak you. Okay, because English is not a rocket science. Just mark this line. Okay, of course. So I'm talking about the tense. So how to start the tenses? Tense is very useful for you because tense has a structures which show you a time. Okay, if we are able to understand what is the present, what is the past, what is the future, that means you are able to understand, to make the translation, to convert the all speeches by the help of tenses. If you have knowledge, okay, if you have knowledge about the tense, that means if anybody give you any target, of course you should make a lots of sentence with the help of tense. That's why I'm saying tense is very vital. Okay, very important. So guys, रूल को पढ़ना बहुत इजी होता है. It is very easy to cover the all rule of tenses. Very difficult to those people who are not using the tenses in their conversation. So first you have to cover the all rules. Second, you have to focus to speak like that. Today you learn the present tense. Okay, so now it's your target, now it's your turn. You have to use the all structures with the help of present tense. Like मैं सुबह जल्दी उठती हूँ, I get up early in the morning. Okay, फिर मैं breakfast करती हूँ, then I take my breakfast. या आप फ्रेश होते हो तो then I freshen up. ओके फिर मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, देन आई गो टू आउटसाइड, फिर मैं ये करती हूँ, फिर मैं वो करती हूँ. ऑलवेज यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इन योर कॉन्वर्सेशन. ओके फर्स्ट you start to positive sentence, second you should start a negative sentence, then you should give the chance to yourself. You have to make the you have to ask the question of yourself. तुम कब उठते हो? When do you get up? Okay तुम कब नहाते हो? When do you bath? When do you take a shower? Okay तुम कब खाना खाते हो? When do you eat a food? So अगर आपको पता है कि हाँ मुझे do यूज करना है present tense में, तो you are able to make the conversation, you are able to make the sentences, that things I am saying. So you have to do these all are things again and again, and these things give you a positiveness. Okay so that is the first step you should follow in your starting time. Okay because tense is a basic structure, and if you have idea about the tense, that means you have a confidence. Okay because in this time, just notice I am using my each and every sentence belong to tenses, and there's a no need to any advanced structures. That's why I'm saying to you, you should start from the tenses. Now we talk about the second step. Second step is that, you know what happened with us when we speak anything, then our mind goes to blank. You know what? Why? Because we don't have a knowledge about the vocabulary. Okay, we are unable to use any single sentence in we are unable to use full sentence. Okay, just because of the lack of vocabulary knowledge. Okay, that's why I'm saying to you, second step, this is that you should start the working on the vocabulary. You have to learn the words, and you have to learn a lots of words. But don't think I have to learn only, but also you have to use these all our words in your structures, in your conversation, in your sentences. If you are able to use these all our words in your conversation, that means you are okay. Okay, suppose that today you learn a one word, the name of this word is called to flabbergasted. Okay, what does it mean? Flabbergasted, the means is that, so flabbergasted, the means of that आश्चर्यचकित, that the means surprise. जब आप surprise बोलोगे या surprise हो गई मैं, तो वैसे ही इस वर्ड का भी यूज कर सकते हैं जब आप क्या हो जाते हो, सरप्राइज होते हो. तो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो. आप इस वर्ड का यूज अपने स्ट्रक्चर्स में कर सकते हो. जैसे कि अगर मैं यूज करना चाहूँ, आपको पता है कल मैंने एक ड्रेस खरीदी. yesterday I bought a one dress, but same dress my mama also bought for me, so I got the flabbergasted. ओके सो सेम ड्रेस मेरी मम्मा ने भी खरीद ली मेरे लिए, तो जब मैंने देखी तो मैं क्या हो गई, आई गॉट द फ्लैबरगास्टेड. इस तरीके से आप वर्ड को यूज करके अपने सेंटेंस को चार चांद लगा सकते हैं. इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ ना, वोकैबुलरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्लीज डोंट amass a lots of knowledge regarding the vocabulary. Just learn a 5 word daily. Okay, but you should use these all our word in your sentences, in your conversation. This gonna help you a lot. Okay, please don't take a too much risk over your head. No, I have to learn this, I have to learn this, but apart from this you are unable to use these all our structures, you are unable to use the lots of things. Okay, so please try and be calm. This is a language only, this is not a very Hauwa types language. Okay, this is only language. We talk about the third step. Third step is also useful. You know what? When you complete tenses, okay, and you also start the working on a vocabulary, so you need a practice. The first practice is for you. It's called to mirror practice. You know what? In starting times, we are unable to speak any single sentence in front of two another people. So I think that is the best way to speak English in front of the mirror. Okay, so that is the best step. That is the best technique to improve your fluency, to give your confidence also. Okay, so when you free, then stand yourself in front of the mirror and speak anything, whatever you want to speak, and there's no one to judge you. Okay, just speak a lot, as like you can use a daily routine in front of the mirror. You can use your what is your next plan. Okay, your study plan you can discuss in English in front of the mirror. That means you can assume yourself as a character, and when you assume yourself as a character, then talk more. That is a very good habit in me. Okay, I always start this thing. When I'm free, when I am alone at my home, I always do these things in front of the mirror. Okay. ओके सो आप मिरर के सामने आप कभी आपके साथ अच्छा हुआ है, कभी आपके साथ बुरा हुआ, ये सारे इंसिडेंट को, सारी स्टोरीज को आप मेक करिए और बोलिए। तो आप मोटिव ये रखिए मुझे इंग्लिश में बोलना है। ओके हिंदी में तो हर कोई बोलता है, मतलब अपनी लैंग्वेज में तो हर कोई बोलता है, आपको इंग्लिश में बोलना है। ओके बिकॉज यू आर लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज, इज इट ना? सो ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड ट्राई टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। ओके नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द फोर्थ स्टेप। ओके स्टार्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन। Conversation is really helpful for you. When we learn English, when we cover any structures, then we don't have any idea about the sentences. So what do you have to do? You just start the conversation, because when you do conversation, when you communicate with the people, so of course on that time you need a basic structure, you need a basic sentences. Then you get to know that, oh, that sentence I have to use in this sentence, in this structures, that structures I have to use in this sentence. So you should try to use these all structures with the help of the conversation. That's why I'm saying conversation is also very important to give you a fluency, to enhance your confidence level also. Okay, so start the conversation. There's a lots of learner who really wants to make a conversation with you. Okay, so there is a lots of learner who really want to make a conversation video, who really want to record a conversation, and I'm also okay. If you want to conversation with me, so of course let me know in the comment section. This is my Gmail ID. Just mention me. Okay, I book a session with you and start the conversation. Okay, I help you. Okay, I will help you where you are facing a problems in English. I give you a tips and tricks, lots of things. Okay, that's gonna really help you to a lot. So of course, just find the such types of learners who really want to improve their fluency. And there's a one best app, it's a Skype. I have a wonderful group. Okay, if you really want to make a conversation, so of course you just send me a message, I add you on this in this group, and of course you should find out a best partner for you. Okay, that the things help you a lot. Now we talk about the fifth step. This is also very important for you. Fifth step is that speak everywhere. After using these all our tactics in your journey, the last step is that you have to speak each and every places. You have to speak everywhere. If you are going market, then you have to speak in English. Doesn't matter in front of the people understand your feelings or not. The matter is that you are improving your English. Okay, on that time you are getting a fluency. So please try to speak. Okay, suppose that today is your plan, you have to go outside for a shopping. Okay, so just take your plan, just speak the sentence. First you have to start the working on that times. First you should start the working like that vocabulary, which vocab is important for you, which vocab you can use in your sentences, which vocab you can use your conversation. So use these all word in your conversation. Just go outside. If you are any shopkeepers, just speak in English. Okay, don't think what the other thinking about you. Just think like that. If I speak, that give you a fluency, that give you confidence. Okay, you know what? Why we are unable to speak English in front of a lot of people? Because we always think like that. What the people are thinking about me. So please don't think these things. Your work is that to improve your English. Your work is that to get the fluency in English. So of course you should focus on your work. Don't other. That the things I'm saying to you. This is a last, not a least, but a best things. After completing these all are things, that is a main rule for you. Speak everywhere. If you are going to coaching, then you will speak in English. If you are going to movie, then you speak to English. If you're going to anywhere, where you want to go, just speak in English. Okay, that the things I'm saying to you. And there's a lots of also social media's app where you can speak in English. Okay. So that is a video. That is a tips. That is a tricks. So if you like this, what do you have to do? Just speak in English in my comment section. How's the video? This video is good? Then you can mention me. If this video is not good for you, then you can also mention me. I will improve. Okay. So don't miss this opportunity to speak in English. Just speak everywhere. Okay, Let me know in the comment section how this is the video and this video is useful for you or not. So these are the things you have to mention me in the comment section, because this give you a positiveness. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. And if you are here right now, so thank you so much. Thursday, from the bottom of my heart, thanks for. Okay, bye bye, take care, happy learning. If any doubt, if any problem, then of course I am here. You can ask me each and every time. When you free, then you can message me. I will give you reply. Okay, because that is my work. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, happy learning.